Friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making 5 types of different and delicious waffles. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So the first recipe that we are going to be making today is a pesto garlic with mozzarella cheese waffle. We're going to start this delicious recipe by spreading on some pesto onto our waffle. Then the second step is to add in some garlic. We have just briefly chopped this garlic and it will add a nice crunch and flavour to our recipe. Then we're going to sprinkle on some cheese. We are using mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheeses of your choice. For example, cheddar cheese. Then we're going to garnish it with some mixed herbs and grounded pepper. So now our pesto garlic and mozzarella cheese waffle is ready. We are just going to put it to the side. And at the end we will grill this to melt the cheese and give it a nice warm texture. Now let's start making the next one. This is going to be a Meggi and Paneer waffle. So to make the Meggi or noodles, you're just going to boil some water. Then we're going to add in our Meggi. You can use any noodles of your choice too. We've just added in a little bit of masala. This is optional and you can use any masalas of your choice. So we're just going to put some Meggi onto our waffle. You can use as little or as much as you want. So we'll just spread it around a little bit and then sprinkle on some mixed herbs. As you can see, it looks really delicious and the aroma that we're getting right now is so nice. I just want to start eating it. Then we're just going to decorate it with some paneer or grilled cheese. This is cottage cheese, but you can use any cheeses of your choice. We've also got some grilled pepper. And just to give it a little more colour, we're going to put in a little bit of coriander leaves. Now our second dish is ready, and we're just going to put it onto the side with our other waffle. Now we're going to be making one of our sweet waffles. This is a Nutella and banana waffle. So we're just going to cut the banana into little pieces. So now we're going to spread the Nutella. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes just like this one. Then we're going to put on our bananas. And now our third waffle is ready. We're just going to put it to the side with the other 2 waffles and get ready for the next one. So this next recipe is a coleslaw and crisp waffle. So for that we're going to just put on our coleslaw and we're going to spread it evenly. Then we're going to sprinkle our mixed herbs This will give a nice flavour to it. Then we're going to put on our crisps. So now we're going to put the coleslaw and crisps waffle with the rest of them. If you did like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends and family. Our last but not least recipe is the jam and cheese recipe. So for this recipe, we're just going to take the jam and spread it out evenly. Then we're going to take the cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. And then we just sprinkled some chaat masala on. This is just to add a little bit of a flavour, but it's totally optional as well. So now we have made all of our recipes. I hope you enjoyed them. And if you like this recipe, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share it with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!